Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to locate and revisit a message tied to a link in a WhatsApp chat on your PC using the latest update. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly navigating to specific messages without scrolling endlessly through your chat history. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and connected to your account. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code using your phone to link your device. Next, find the chat where the link was shared. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat. Click on the chat to open it. Once you're inside the chat, click on the name of the contact or group at the top of the screen. This will open the contact or group info panel, where you can access various details and media shared within this conversation. Now, look for the section labeled Links. This section organizes all links shared in the chat, making it easy to locate them without scrolling through messages manually. Click on Links to view all the links shared in this conversation. Browse through the list of links until you find the one you're looking for. Once you've identified it, right-click on the link. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Go to Message. WhatsApp will instantly take you back to the exact message where this link was originally shared. You can now view the context of the message or interact with it as needed. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can quickly find and revisit messages associated with links in any WhatsApp chat on your PC. This feature is perfect for saving time and staying organized, especially in busy group chats or long conversations. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp effectively.